This effect, usually called inverted border design, where the curved element cuts the content like border radius but placed inside, things that normal CSS border radius can't do. We will animate the gallery item after we finish the shape, as it's just duplicated element and animation with delays. Path function use the same CVG style to define the whole path, where M is the starting point and L followed by coordinate is the position identifier. As you can see here, the shape is having hard edge stop because we just use L symbol. But remember that we need to use a slope or hard edge cut like this before we able to make a curve out of it. To create an arc or curved path like inverted border, we change the L symbol into a symbol. X and Y radius is for how big the curve will be. Sweep flag defines the direction, inside or outside. We basically swap the L symbol into arc symbol followed by the parameter and then add the actual next coordinate. Happy coding, and don't forget to like and subscribe Coding Visual. Share this video to help the channel grow. Now we will create the keyframe for the slide in left animation. We just use one animation, add delay based on the element position to create a stutter effects. Thank you. Happy coding, and don't forget to like and subscribe Coding Visual. Share this video to help the channel grow.